Before performing live migration, we will perform a continuous ping to prove that there is little to no downtime. Test 01 VM currently resides in test HV01. We will move it to test HV02 with no downtime. As shown here, the continuous ping only showed one ping loss, which in this case is approximately less than 2 seconds. Live migration is successful.